Start by snapping off your shuttles and pick the colour you want to use for your warp. Start warping your loom by securing the yarn through the slot at the top left corner of your loom. Push the yarn through the slot with the end of the yarn coming out the front. Wrap the yarn around the back corner of the loom and bring it back out through the first gap in the teeth of the loom. Continue to warp your loom by wrapping it up and down around the next tooth on the loom each time. Take care to keep your tension even. Don't pull it too tight and don't pull it too loose. It doesn't need to be pulled really tightly. If you've pulled it really tightly, you'll see that your loom is kind of bending. This means it's too tight. If it's too loose, you'll see some of the threads sagging down in the middle. When you have done as many warps as you need, secure the end of the yarn through one of the slots in the loom from the back to the front and cut the yarn with the scissors.